Hi, I'm Ruben McRae with Integrity Blinds and Shutters. The Hunter Douglas PowerView app is an excellent tool filled with many useful features that will help you get the most out of your motorized products. In this video, we will walk through the steps for downloading the app and setting up your account. First, go to your smartphone's app store and search for PowerView. Click to download. Once downloaded, open the app. Scroll through or click Next until you reach the Terms and Privacy page. There are two links here for Terms of Use and Privacy. You can read through those, then make sure to click that you agree. Click Continue. You may be asked to share your app's analytics with Hunter Douglas to help with making system improvements. This is optional, and you can select based on your preference. When you reach the Local Network Access page, click Enable Network Access. You'll need to allow PowerView to find devices on local networks, so click Allow. Now that the app is downloaded, let's take a look at how to set up the account and log in. In the app, click the Don't Have an Account button. Enter your details and create a password. Click to agree to the terms of use, then click Continue. At this point, a verification email will be sent to you. Keep in mind that it can sometimes take several moments to arrive. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your junk folder. When you receive the email, click to verify the email address. Once you've verified your email, navigate back to the app. On the login page, click Already Verified, Sign In, and sign in using your email and the password you created when you were last in the app. At this point, your account is ready for your installation appointment. Once the installers have completed the necessary programming, you will receive an invitation by email to access your window treatments. For more tips on how to care for your window treatments, check out the other videos on our channel or visit our website at integrityshutters.com.